Today it's all about whipped lemonade, you guys. 3 different ways. Get ready. Today we're making whipped lemonade 3 different ways: lactose free, sugar free, and the regular way. You have to try this recipe. We also found Topeka, and they had 0 sugars, pineapple coconut. You guys, I had to do it with the Carnation milk. Add lots of ice. It was frothy, decadent, amazing. You got to try this pineapple coconut whipped drink. Amazing. I know my word amazing may drive you crazy, but I'm telling you, when you taste these whipped drinks, the lemonade and the pineapple, you'll be saying, oh my God, amazing. You guys, you gotta try this.
That's the one. That's what you want.
For those that are plant-based or lactose intolerant, you can do the oat milk or almond milk, same measurements. It won't be as whipped, but you can, and it won't be as sweet, so definitely add your artificial sugar or regular sugar, but it turns out just as amazing. We used Slury, and it did not disappoint, you guys. And you can add the whipped cream or not. We did not, because my sister was lactose intolerant, so we wanted to make sure we included her. You guys, this whipped lemonade drink served up amazing. Whipped lemonade, like smoothie or frosty, was amazing. You guys have to try this. I'm telling you, you can vary with the ingredients or the amount of lemon juice. Amazing. Even with the almond milk, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Try this at your next barbecue or cookout. Thumbs up the video, subscribe. We're on the road to 10K, and share me out, guys. Be sure that notification bell is on, you guys, and thank you so much for watching.